Subscribe to our channel Career Tutorial and press the bell icon to get the latest notification related to career and tips.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to talk about a very well recognized and reputed college which is underestimated, not underestimated, but a lot of students don't know about this college, that is DTU, Delhi Technical University. So without any delay, let's start this video. Friends, first of all, talking about this college, that is what actually happened after doing class 12th and preparing for JEE advanced or means. We just aim at the IIT and NITs, whereas we just forgot, or you just neglect the counseling or the importance of this type of colleges, which is not central college, but it is also a state government college, but of high reputation because of, in the sense of placement and everything, management of these colleges, campus life, everything. So from that series actually I will make the videos related to those colleges, and today I am talking about DTU, Delhi Technical University. It was established in 1941 and then it has some another name, engineering college type of things, and after that its renovation in the name and also in the infrastructure and a lot of things has happened, and it is a well recognized, reputed and university in the Delhi based college it is, and you can apply here in a lot of courses which they provide. For example, BTech, and they take up the students through JEE Mains examination and also BDES examination. I mean this courses which is taken through the UCEED examination. I will also make a video, separate video for this, about this examination. Then after BA, BBA courses which is on the basis of the merit, whatever you score. Actually this university is in Delhi, and a lot of university in the Delhi like DU also takes a lot of students on the basis of, you can say, board marks. That's why this college also do like that. Along with that, MTech courses are also available which can be taken by qualifying in the GATE examination. MBA, you can appear at the CAT examination to get in the MBA. Actually all these courses are very everywhere available, but this college is also a lot of reputation, because a lot of companies come here which go in the IITs and NITs. Actually company going in the college depend on the locality. It is based on the where it is situated. Like it is in the Delhi, then a lot of company coming to IIT Delhi will also try to visit these colleges. So these colleges becomes also important. And there is also some courses like MSc, BTech and the lateral entry which is conducted or which is taken by conducting their own examination. So these are some basic courses available there, you can do it. And if you are more focused for the engineering, then it is one of the best college after IIT and NIT, and that's why I wanted to acknowledge you with this college DTU. And JEE means actually cutoff is also very high, you cannot take it easy because it is just comparable to some top NITs or even some IITs, because I have already talked about the influence of the city, that is companies going big colleges like IITs also visit there, because they they think that it is easy for also them to recruit the students around the colleges which they are visiting. And a lot of other colleges are also available. I will also make the another videos, and in this series I will make this type of videos. So for now, signing off, and if you like our video, then share to your friends and family, and also subscribe to our channel if you are new, and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Thanks for watching the video. All the best.